Hello, welcome to Around the House with Kay and Tom, and today we're going to do some root vegetables here in the FOODi DELUXE. And I'm going to just wash these potatoes off here, these little potatoes, and probably just leave them the way they are. And of course, these turnips, Kay's already started peeling one of them here, so we're going to peel these two turnips. And these parsnips, of course, you got to scrape them, and the carrots, you need to scrape them, and then we'll peel this sweet potato and cut it into nice sized pieces. And so let me get started with it. So the first thing I'm going to do is put these potatoes in this bowl here. Just go ahead and wash them off good. And I think I'm just going to leave them sitting in this little bowl of water here for a few minutes so I get ready for them. And I'll set them aside over here. Now, I might as well go ahead and get started scraping these parsnips here. Now you have to watch out with your fingers, because if you start running your fingers across that like that, it's probably going to do your finger just about the same way it does that parsnip there. Okay, now I've got these parsnips scraped down like that, and I will cut them into pieces like this. Okay, now I'm going to put these over here in this bowl of water with these potatoes. Now I'm going to start doing these carrots the same way here. Just scrape them down. And when we get them scraped down, we'll start cutting them up. Okay, now I'm going to do the carrots the same way as I did that parsnip over. I'm just going to cut them in pretty good sized pieces here. Okay, now I'm going to do the same thing with them. Put them over here in this bowl of water I got going here. Now we'll cut this, or peel this turnip here. Okay, now I'll do this one. Cut the ends off of it. Now this is going to be a good medley of root veggies here. I guess if you like root veggies. If you don't like root veggies, it probably isn't too swift to you then. But they're going to be good when I finish with them. Alright. Now we'll do these the same way. Just I'll keep on putting my finger under that knife blade. I will not like it. Okay, and last but not least, we're going to peel the sweet potato here and get it ready to cut up. Okay, now Kay come in here and peeled a sweet potato for me. She thought it would take me all night if I did it, so let me get these peels out of the way. She said she wanted to eat sometime today. Let it get away from you. I tell you, when you're doing something like this, you have to pick veggies that's about the same density and everything, so they'll cook about the same amount of time. Because you wouldn't want to put something soft in here to cook with these. Because if you do, it's going to be turned to mush, and these things are going to be just getting just about right. So you got to think about a little bit of stuff like that when you get ready to do all this stuff. Now we'll put those down that bowl right along with the rest of that stuff. Okay, now I've got these all rinsed off a couple times and everything, so now I'm trying just to switch them back and forth a little bit, see if I can get them dried off a little bit, get rid of some of the water on them. Seep down that paper towel there. Now back in here. Now that'll help a little bit. Okay, I'm going to spice them up just a little bit here. I'll spray some olive oil down there on them. Like that. I'll put a little pepper. A little salt. So we're going to toss them around just a little bit. And we'll do the same thing again. And don't forget the Mrs. Dash here. And then we'll toss them up and down a little bit more. And so you think you got all those things covered till you do that a time or two, and you say, huh, maybe I should put a little bit more on them. So, yep. looks like that's covered pretty good there. Now, next thing we're going to do is try to get them down this Ninja FOODi Deluxe over here. Okay, the first thing I've got here is 2 cups of water I'm going to put down in here. I'm going to try to put this little green steamer basket right down there like that. I'm going to put it in there before I put the veggies in today, because this is a heavy load on. So now we'll try putting these veggies right down in there on that little green steamer basket. There you go. Now as you can see, that pretty much filled that up, and it's not. When I get ready to take them out, I'm sure some is probably going to spill over the side, but still that's going to make it a whole lot easier to grab a hold of this and pick them right up than about anything else would be. So I'll show you in a few minutes, I hope. Alright, now we're going to take the pressure lid here and put on. Line up your arrows here in the front. Turn it clockwise till it stops. Now make sure your valve back here is set to seal and not vent. And you come down here and you turn on your power. And you put over here the pressure. And you hit your time. There's this little button here that says time on it. You hit that and your time will start flashing. We don't want 10, I think we'll go up to 15 minutes on it and give it a try. And now you hit the start button and it's going to take off. Now it's going to take it. I wouldn't be surprised if it didn't take it about 15-20 minutes to build up pressure, as much stuff as is in there. I got 2 cups of water plus all those veggies, so it's going to take it a couple of minutes to build up the pressure, so we'll be back. But while you're waiting, if you can join our channel and give us a thumbs up. We sure appreciate it. And thank you very much, all you people that watches our videos. Okay, and there the valve popped up, and it took 18 minutes exactly from the time I hit the start button to the time the valve popped up to seal the machine. Now it's not started counting down yet, but it will in a minute. Okay, and that took just a little bit over 2 minutes from the time the valve come up in the back to the time it started counting down on its 15-minute cook here. So we'll keep eye on it. We'll be back in a few minutes. I hope 15 minutes was long enough, because that's some pretty tough veggies in there to cook, you know. All those are root veggies. So there's no tender veggies in there when it started. Let's hope there's some tender ones in there when it comes out. So we'll be back. We're down under 20 seconds on this 15-minute cook here on these root vegetables. And so I'm going to go ahead and do a quick release on them when they finish and see what we got in there. And that's not going to surprise me a whole lot if I have to put them back in there and do them a little bit longer. They may be done, but I don't know. So we'll come over here and release the valve. I can show you where you see it. Okay, now it's bound to be getting ready to drop. There's hardly any noise coming out of it at all now, but you can see it's been 4 minutes and 15 seconds since we hit the release valve back there and it said the vent. And there it went. Fell down right then. Now I'm going to move this pot a little bit so I can control it a little bit better. So let me move the camera. Okay, now to take the top off, you need to turn it counterclockwise. So it stops, pick it straight up, away from your face, and turn it upside down so you don't spill all that water on your floor. Set it in the sink. Those look pretty good. I don't know if I have to put any more time on them or not. That looks nice, doesn't it? Let me get a fork. Okay, just let me show you. Just, I mean, it just falls right through there. Potatoes. Yeah. And sweet potato. That looks good, doesn't it? Now, to get them out of there without burning yourself is a whole different story. Right. I'm going to move the camera again. Okay, I'm going to try to pick these up out of this FOODi DELUXE here with this green steamer basket in it. So far they come pretty good. Maybe I won't put any on the floor. Ah, there they go. That's pretty good right there. And I dropped one sweet potato in the water. Which isn't no big deal. There it is. I want one of those turnips, to tell you the truth, is what I'm looking for. That's one of them right there, but it's too hot to eat. I'll have to wait a second. I'll let it sit right there and cool. The turnip was real good, as I thought it would be. Now I'm going to take out, since I can't believe it's not butter, spray on these. Now that's going to top it off right there. Yeah, that's going to be good. So too hot, can't eat it. Now it's finally getting cool enough to take a bite of it. It sure is good. Tell you the truth, next time I do it, I'm going to back off on the time to about 10 minutes instead of 15. Well, this is almost too soft, but they're really good and tender. And there's nothing wrong with them at all. It'll just be a little more crispier if you back off on the time about 5 minutes. So that's about it for this little video on these root veggies here. If you like root veggies, this is a good MEDLEY right here. You might want to try it sometime because it sure is good. So until next time, I hope you enjoy our video as much as we enjoyed making it for you. And I hope you come back and see us real soon. If you can, give us a thumbs up and join our channel. Until next time, y'all have a real good and safe day now. Goodbye.
Use your camera.